Hey everyone, welcome back to another new exciting video. Guys, in this video we will discuss about this TOON, and this is the alternative of JSON. And instead of JSON, if we use the TOON format, then we can reduce the cost significantly when we are calling an LLM, and also you will get the best output speed. And here you see that the TOON full form is this token oriented object notation, and here you see that this is the full code that I have tested with the help of this OpenAI API key. And here you see that this is the output, and this is the cost for JSON, and this is the cost for TOON, and the cost for TOON is significantly less than the JSON. So in this video I will give you a complete idea of this TOON and why you should use it and how to use it. And yesterday when I found this repository, the star count was around 8k, means it was 8000. But now when I'm recording this video, here you see that star count is 9.3k. That means people are very much interested about this tool, and it is really useful, and this GitHub repository is now on trending. Okay, so here you see, if you go to this GitHub repository, I have given the link in description. Here you see that TOON full form is this token oriented object notation. It is a JSON for LLM prompts at half the tokens. So what generally happens, here you see that this is the diagram that they have given. Means if you want to convert this JSON to TOON, then you have to just write this simple code toon.encode. Okay, this is the simple things that you have to write, and you can save this 40 to 60% of cost. This is huge, right? Huge achievement. So what happens that normally we have this LLM, right? We have this LLM, and now here we have this data, right? We have this data. Now we can provide this data to LLM, and based on the data we can do the query. This is the normal system that we are familiar. Now how we can provide this data? We can provide this data in the form of raw text. Otherwise, most of the times what happens that we provide the data in the form of JSON format, and the data source can be database, normal database. Suppose you are building a customer care chatbot. In that case, if you want to provide your company specific details or any product specific details, then you will provide that information from the database, company database, in the form of JSON to the LLM, and based on the data you can ask the query, right? So here we are providing the JSON data, right? Here we are providing the JSON data. Now the TOON concept is that they are telling, instead of providing the JSON directly, convert it to TOON, and in that way you can reduce the cost significantly. So here you see what is the TOON structure. So this is the JSON format. Okay, this is the JSON format. Here you see that the curly braces, and this is the curly braces, and third bracket, and inside this array we have two objects. Now what is the problem here? Here you see that when you are sending the JSON to the LLM, here you see that you are sending these spaces unnecessarily, right? You are sending these spaces unnecessarily, and also you are sending this bracket. These brackets are also token, right? Means if you just go to this open router, okay, if you just go to this open router and let me open any models, okay, let me open any models, then you will understand. Let's say this model, okay, Nemotron Nano. So here you see that the costing is that for 1 million input token and for 1 million output token, means based on the tokens usage they will charge you. And also if I show you in my OpenAI platform, here you see that the total token is 842, and based on this total tokens, and here you see that the cost is $0.01. Okay, so they will charge you based on the tokens. And if you see here, you are sending these brackets, and this bracket, each and every character or letter that you are sending are token. Okay, it will count it will be count as a token. So here you see that you are sending this token, this is also one token, and the spaces that you are sending, these are also token. Here you see these are the spaces, these are the token, and also this also these icons, these are tokens. Okay, so you are some sending some tokens, and that's why your cost will be higher. Means here the two objects are there, but in real scenario there will be multiple objects, right? There will multiple objects, and for each object here you see that there is a this 2 second bracket, and this 2 second bracket means two token. And if there are 1,000 objects, then there is a for one object there is a two bracket. For 1,000 objects there is a 2,000 bracket, means 2,000 token extra. And now in real scenario there can be 1 lakh objects, then think about that, 2 lakh extra token, so the cost will be higher. And now you can convert this JSON to TOON. So this is the TOON format of this data. Here you see uh, this is the users array where the count is 2, means there is two object, and this is the key name, ID, name, and role, and after that this is the format 1 2. This is the object information. This is the TOON format. So if I show you this inside my code, then you will understand. Here you see that I have just made one OpenAI client here, and after that I have provided this JSON data. Now what I'm doing here, that this is the test one using this JSON, and this is the test two using this TOON. Follow my cursor. So what I'm doing here, that I am converting this JSON data, this data to TOON format. Here you see convert to TOON, and this is the code. So let me just increase the font size, you will understand, I think. Here you see that I am converting this to TOON format, and I am providing this TOON string to here and JSON string to here. Okay, so this is a two test one with JSON, test two with TOON, and after that here from this response I am calculating the cost, estimated cost, and also the number of tokens, and I am printing that here, the result. And also I am checking last that how much cost I have saved. Okay, and or you can say how much token it got saved. Okay, here you see when I am running this in node index.js, and here you see that with this JSON format, the prompt token is 149. Can you see? Let me increase the font size. Here you see that prompt token is 149, but for this TOON the prompt token is 135, and for this JSON the estimated cost was 0.001765, means 0.0017, and for this TOON the cost is, that is 0.0012, 0.0012, means for JSON it was 0.0017, and for TOON it is 0.0012, means 0.001, sorry, 0.0005 cost got reduced. And also here you see token savings is 9.4% fewer input tokens with TOON. So that means with TOONs you can reduce the cost. Here what I am doing, that I am providing this JSON data to the LLM, and this is my query, and based on that data it will give me the my query response. Okay, means we are simply just converting this JSON data to TOON with the help of simple function which is the encode. And this is the uh, TOON format TOON. This is the npm install package is there. Okay, so if I just show you this package.json, and you see I have just installed this TOON format TOON. This is the npm install, and I hope this GitHub repository also mentioned this. And this is the key feature. Here you see that token efficient, typically 30 to 60% fewer tokens than JSON, LLM friendly guardrails, minimal syntax, indentation based structure, tabular arrays. And another thing is important, that in case of JSON data that I have shown you, and you see that there is no nested structure, means ID 1, name alias, role, admin, but there is no nested structure for each and every object. But if there is a nested structure inside this for one each and every object, then this JSON format is better than the TOON. And that is also you will find here in their documentation. So, let me show you that portion. Okay, so just search this nested word. Okay, nested word is there. Here you see. For deeply nested or non-uniform data, JSON may be more efficient. Then in that case, what we can do? We can we can convert that nested object to the flat object. Okay. In JavaScript also, you will find that there's a popular interview question that how to flat one nested array of object to flat array of object. Okay, this is a popular interview question that many big companies ask. That's why they ask it, because if there is a nested structure, then please convert it to the flat structure. I hope you got the point. Okay, so for nested structure, TOON is not efficient. So convert the JSON TOON, convert the nested structure to flat structure. Okay, and after that, here you see that this is the cost savings things that they have given here. So if you go to this repository, you will find it. So this GPT-5 Nano, if you use this TOON, then here you see that the retrieval accuracy is very best for this TOON than the other data format. This is the installation format npm install that I was talking about. Okay. So I hope you got the idea that why this TOON format is better, and you just have to simply write this tune.encode, and this is enough. This is enough. You don't have to do much things. Just import the package and use this in this way, encode, and provide the data. Okay, this is enough. So if you found this video helpful guys, this detailed explanation, please make sure you subscribe this channel, and please make sure you watch the other videos also. And if you are visiting this channel for the first time, please make sure you subscribe and like this video. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.